babo wo ebu abo wo pese mu mo kwaku a esaba wo ye se takwa mo ka sai ya de ya pre e ka wo koyi oforiata ho hey say be finance minister ye dey na do be coach say near finance minister enyamo e na mo be finance minister mutie ne ye enyamo e na mo be finance minister yeah ada na MPP for yama MPP de nyansa de omo obi o MPP for ni nyansa omo obi ene ye ko pamono mo ko pamono mo ko pam manim na gu as me say na but na do de nbiem na so do me parliament and this for do me one na so do me one na do me
gwase ebiase enim eba be 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 gwase ebiase
womanim so nananu mi we o Ghana man penny nanadu dankwa Akufo-Addo no mi we ebedi NDC achi mo nkwa na nyina na monim ba guase mo nkwa na nyina Ghana man penny adome mo ose mo monim ba guase da bia mo kobia na dimochi MPP ya kwa yo MPP bibi anakwa ho obi kachi o si nakwa ho ye be ya anakwa ho enya mo makwa fun we mo kwa fun we amona so no ye ni so mo kwa na ye fun etan ye nim guase ye ni so o so mo ni mo guase afere Muntaka Muntaka ka ko bu speaker Muntaka Honorable, and how come speaker? I don't know the guy. I said, when you get guase. Come on, Muntaka come speaker. Arame boy, Muntaka nyesa. Say brafi. Nani party for the mekao. And tisa Muntaka. Sadeva, asebi bo. It is rowi na bra. And to call in your game. Na brave you na better to feel you na nyama de e kwa be se me ma kwan fresh so nso a che and na me pesa me ma kwan o ba be di tie utumi ni ba o me wa dance na fra asema be kachi o be dai me se so we me na me dia o mo be pe e na me no be adwuma o so se me mpa me ne wonya adwuma o so tie ni ye tie me ma tie fo no ma hwefo fra bi a che and na me pesa mo so mu fra bi na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia call party office no wo ne sen na me pesa for was me free Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia call party office wo ne sen na me say for me free what ya we NDC my NDC yare mo my NDC yare mo me ma who test message me kan because mo abotro no mo nyina me who say mo nya nipa mo me from no mo me from no me who ni say na ma kwan na wo so oba no oba frɛ e wo
koden ye be koye adwuma na yakoso aye adwuma na ya hwese ne amani be den be sesa aden na menko she t-shirt and make demonstration and one on start here everybody please come out. There is 65% interest that the people not want a, so please come out. Everybody, I don't have a neck, but come out. Me ko ni na hira, mumbabu ami o na de na jinsem. They say they mean to me o, and this phone na mama wu. And one year start to cough you know, sa foolish guy your friend say, shady media say why me wa. They say ono na ye contractor, a disappointed deportee. They say some person with Jimmy. Or be organize boy somehow. Now only money na ako. He said the Ghana. Babunu na nanka sebe. Ye pese or numbo ebenya TVET free education kono. Sa babunu numbo evrade yankopon pa se Ghana oh. For me, this is what I believe, or this is what I think. Say free education, say etokoso. I'm telling you, NDC will be found wanting. They will be found very, very, very well. Okay? Ghanaians showed something small to NDC people. Now, show me. Let me tell you something. There are some people I speak with them and they tell you, "Oh, Bra Felix, no correct. I mean, near me more than kakra, but they compare the first now. And that dear a yakakra. Oh, just says he say no. NDC for no do watching winter. I didn't enter sacra. Almost a sanity. NDC for the watching winter. No, I didn't enter sacra. Almost a sanity. But that doesn't mean say we are going to what? We are going to sit down and give our votes to NDC. One nurse friend that I have was a question to GD pass a Ghana for better Maham. Maybe I'm the different candidates, but they are. But Mahama apparently, I don't think say they will vote for Mahama say on BDN because come on, I see what did the man do? I was a nurse, I couldn't get my pay. I was this, I couldn't get this. Like this man didn't do anything. Also on my sometimes who send Crawford Bo Mahamedian say now come Johnny Sanka by now there and come be fan name be a grumu. But I say Mahama it pains say anytime be you like talk about NDC and the only option it seems they have is Mahama. And we have his hand records. We saw what he did. We even thought, say, or got na opposition kakri and kenyansa kakraba sebe. But also there be oba jaya ifo no galem say for na gum. No mo fa mercury enko huru susuo no say yensuo na yenuanom nko wo. No mo omomba enkonya deformity. Or say I feel cry the campaign for no crown or the excavated. This is somebody who has been a president too. And his only reason for doing this, they say, ye Chinese for now, na ye jao. Say, you are a president too. Have you forgotten? When you caught the same people, Utie, when you caught the same Chinese people, Mahama, what did you do with them? Did you also let them go? Did you give some of them long stays? In this I say we no much no mujao and now we have say where the president da. I don't get it. Papa Burger on Accra FM. Accra FM now be from a Jimmy for radio station. I say remember I day. Oh, where delete? Me oh me try CD. Oh nyahwe me try CD kra me pe. Arabana mu no say apro wewu mana pro tinetwa asidi anyahwe ye de nyame asese wo maame wonu woni twa asidi ni bi no ye bodamfo na sebe wode ne de ato na pampam chema NDC fo polling station agent fo ne du maame wo mo nko an no de bibi sa beba ke oye domo oba wie foolishly on somebody platform, especially when he's telling you the truth. Government is going to change your life. It is a lie. Government only brings policies. Government only brings policies. So it is up to you, the responsible citizenry, to tap into those policies, transform your fucking life. When Jimmy Dodo, Okoka ni eja, Okoka ni etuho ni eja. As someone me can soon deny no cre. Say sabi.